I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by exposing the threaded joint. Slide off the shaft and flight so only the barrel and point remain. Once done, wrap a cloth or a rubber jar grip around the barrel to increase friction. This protects knuckles and gives purchase. With the dart tip pointing away, stabilize the barrel against your palm or a flat edge and twist the point counterclockwise with steady pressure. Do not yank. Slow, progressive twists break thread grip while keeping the barrel steady to avoid bending. If the point resists, warm the joint first by holding it in your palm or dipping briefly in warm water. Thermal expansion can loosen threads. Once warm, press a second dart point into the one still attached so the two tips engage. That lets you use the spare as a driver without tools. Apply short clockwise nudges, then steady counterclockwise torque. This ratcheting action gradually frees corroded or tight threads. Keep grip secure and work patiently to avoid After removal, immediately clean both male and female threads with a dry cloth and inspect for damage. When installing a new point, hand start the threads straight and only then tighten with your wrapped grip to seat it. You avoid cross-threading that way. If a point remains seized, apply a single drop of penetrating oil, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then repeat the warm and twist method. If binding persists or threads are damaged, stop and seek a proper tool or replacement part to prevent injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.